Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the recruitment updates from some big companies. The companies are Wipro is there, Accenture is there, Mindtree is there. Also, we'll be seeing the recruitment updates from Genpact, Fractal, also an internship opportunity from Goldman Sachs. So if you are interested in any of these company recruitment updates, please to watch this video till the end. The qualifications for most of the recruitments are any graduate is eligible. Also, the year of pass out doesn't matter. Okay. So please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. Let's see the recruitment updates one by one. The first recruitment update we are going to see is from Mindtree actually. So Mindtree is conducting a bulk recruitment drive. This is an off-campus drive actually. So off-campus announcement for software engineer hiring. Okay, so this is a fresher hiring for the year of pass out 2021. Okay, and the people from BTech background with the streams computer science, IT and circuitry branches means ECEEI are eligible to apply for this recruitment drive. Cutoff criteria they are asking is 60% or 6 CGPA. Application deadline also they have mentioned it is December 24th. So please try to apply when you are seeing the video itself. Okay, because if you postpone it, you may forget and sometimes you may miss out the deadline. Okay, so please to apply for it as soon as possible. Anyway, the last date is December 24th. You can see the job description. Anyway, we know what is the job role of a software engineer. You will be developing coding, codes, testing, debugging. That will be the job role as per the business requirement. Okay, so if you're interested, you can actually register here by clicking. Okay, yeah, so that is the first recruitment update. This is a bulk recruitment drive from Mindtree. So please apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, the next recruitment we are going to see is from Wipro. So Wipro is hiring for associate YT. So the location of job is Hyderabad. Currently you will get work from home. So the skills they're asking is only basic things: communication skills, verbal ability, written ability. That is the requirement here. Also speaking skills, excellent comprehension skills. Then only freshers and graduates are eligible to apply. Okay. So if you are a fresher and if you are having any graduation with any year of pass out, you can definitely apply. After applying, you have to wait for at least 1 week so that they will shortlist the applications. And if you are eligible, for the post, they'll be sending you a confirmation mail or a congratulation mail to give the test. Okay, so the first stage is going to be test, then there'll be technical rounds, and then there'll be HR round. That is going to be the selection process also. Okay, so if you are interested, just click on this apply icon and apply for it. Okay, if you are from any graduation background, BCom, BSc, BCA, BTech, whatever streams you are from, you are eligible. Okay, next we are going to see a recruitment update from Wipro itself. This is a work integrated learning program from Wipro and it is for BCA candidates and BSc candidates. So BSc candidates from computer science, IT, maths, statistics, electronics and physics, mostly all branches they are calling for. So this is a work integrated learning program for 2020, 2021 and 2022 year of pass out. So what this program is actually, here you will get to work with Wipro. You will get a monthly stipend also. Along with that, you will get to do your masters. That is MTech you can do. And all the expenses for your MTech degree will be taken by Wipro. Okay. So this is going to be your stipend for yearly basis. First year it will be 15,000 plus allowances. Second year it will be 70,000. Third year it will be 19,000. And fourth year it will be 23,000. So you can actually, in these 4 years, you can do your MTech degree also. Okay. And along with that, you can work with the company. You will get an experience certificate, and along with that, you will get the stipend also. Okay. So this is an excellent opportunity if you are interested in learning and also earning. Okay. So this is a work integrated learning program and the last date is 7th of February. Enough time is there. So please to apply for it as soon as possible if you are from BSc or BCA backgrounds. Okay. Next, we are going to see a recruitment update from Accenture. Accenture is hiring for graduates and postgraduates. The graduates from BTech with year of pass out 2020 and 2021 are eligible. Also, BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA, BA, all the candidates of 2020 and 2021 are eligible. Separately, they have given two different links for applying. Also, for postgraduates, they are conducting a recruitment drive. Again, 2020 and 2021 batch of pass out. Computer science, IT, people of MSc and all the ME, MTech and MCA candidates are eligible. Okay. So just click on this icon. You can see the application form. I'll show you the application form. So just click on next to proceed. On clicking that, you can see an application form. This is a direct hiring of associate software engineer. You can see the job description. Also, you can check the eligibility below. Just scroll down and you can see the eligibility here. See, just click on this eligibility criteria. All the details they have given here. BB Tech, MEM Tech, MCA, MSc, 2020, 2021 pass out. Okay. Next one, we are going to see a recruitment update from TCS. The last date is 16th of January. Actually, this was the last date was earlier on last of November. 30th November was the last date. Then they have extended it to I think 8th of January. Now it is 16th of January. So this is actually a bulk hiring from TCS and they are hiring a lot of people. And registration is still open. Just click on it and apply. Year of pass out is 2020 and 2021. B Tech, ME, Tech, MCA, MSc students of the year of pass out, that is 20 and 21 year of pass out, are eligible here. If you want to know more about the test pattern, just click on this test pattern, open it and see. There is two sessions, part A and part B. There will be two sessions for the hiring. The part A will be cognitive skills and part B will be programming skills. Total duration will be 180 minutes and this is going to be the selection process here. Okay. So if you are interested in working with TCS, just have a look on the previous question papers or test patterns. You can actually get a lot of YouTube videos and all on the test process, the how to crack the TCS test and all. So you can actually refer them and you can apply for it and you can crack the test and then you can work with TCS. Okay. TCS is a very good company to start your career with, so don't miss out and apply for it as soon as possible. Yeah, so the last date we have seen. Also, if you want to know more about the eligibility criteria, just click on this test eligibility. Now you can see, here you can see the details. That is how much CGPA you require. Minimum 60%. Most of the companies like TCS, Wipro, they ask for 6 CGPA. Some companies doesn't ask for 6, but they ask for at least 50%. Like Capgemini, I must tell you, I have seen the notifications from Capgemini. They have conducted recruitment drives in which they are only asking for minimum 50% or 55%. Okay, so if you are having 60% below, you can actually wait for Capgemini and other companies. Along with that, you can do your preparations. Okay, yeah. The next recruitment we are going to see is from Fractal. So Fractal Analysis is conducting an off-campus drive for women in engineering with the year of pass out 2022. Okay, so this is an exclusive event or a hiring for women candidates. The last day to apply is 22nd of December. So if you are a women candidate, a lot of subscribers of this channel are women. So for all those candidates, don't miss out this opportunity and apply for it as soon as possible. The locations for which they are hiring is Bangalore is there, Mumbai is there, Gurgaon is there. Here they are hiring for an Imagineer, means an engineer post itself. Okay, experience is 0 month and the employment is a full-time employment also. Let's have a look on the eligibility before seeing the test details and all. Okay, year of pass out we have already talked about that. It is 2022. Eligible streams are B Tech. Then integrated MTech is also eligible. BSc is eligible with IT, computer science, maths, statistics and economics. BCA is also eligible. They have given the eligibility criteria that 80% in 10th, 12th CGPA of 8 in UG, no backlogs. Most of the women candidates are having a lot of CGPAs, 8, 85, 95, 9 like that. Okay. If you are having minimum 8 CGPA, only you can apply here. Okay. Otherwise, you cannot apply. For BSc, BC candidates, only 70% is required. Okay. So this is going to be the eligibility criteria I am telling you in detail. Now the selection process will be consisting of aptitude test, coding test, problem solving round, business understanding round and HR round. Okay. So that's it for the recruitment update from Fractal. The second last one we are going to see is from Genpact. I have actually brought up a lot of recruitment updates in today's video because for all the categories of people there should be some openings, right? Yeah, this is a exclusive opening for BCom candidates. Okay, clearly you can see freshers can also apply. Okay, if you are BCom finance or MCom masters also eligible. BCom plus MCom, no problem. Okay, so if you are BCom or MCom candidate, definitely apply here. It is a post for process associate RTR. Okay, They have given the job responsibilities here, account management. We know that what is the job role of an accounts person or a BCom person. You will be handling accounts, tally, that is the job role. Okay. Now, this is for the location of Hyderabad. December 20th is the date of posting. Very recent update only. Please do apply for it if you are a person with minimum BCom qualification. BCom plus MBA also eligible. Yeah. Next one. Next is an internship opportunity from Goldman Sachs. I am talking about this internship opportunity from a lot of, that is in the previous videos. In a lot of previous videos actually. Here it is open till January 3rd. Okay. Very soon the registrations will be closing. So please apply for it before January 3rd. So there is 2 posts for which they are hiring. New analyst post is there. Also internship update is there. New analyst is for 2022 graduation backgrounds, and summer internship is for 23 candidates. Okay. So you can actually apply separately by clicking the register icons for 2 different posts here. Okay. Yeah, also they have given the test patterns. Aptitude test will be there, technical test will be there, and interview will be there. Also they have given the dates. So the last date is January 3rd. Please to apply for it as soon as possible. So we have seen a lot of recruitment updates in today's video. I have tried to bring up different opportunities for different categories of people, because I know that many people from different backgrounds are watching the channel. So please do make use of this content. Every time you see a video, try to check on the description and try to apply for it. If you are getting any reply mails, then that's a good thing, right? Yeah. So please keep applying. Please prepare along with it and try to get the job as soon as possible. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, support the channel, share the videos with your friends also, tell them to subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.